Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your bonus love reading for the month of July. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading, and your extended reading. You can have a look on that too. You can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius. What are the messages? Give me the messages which are important for Aquarius for the month of July. Please give me the messages. What are the messages? Patience and beware. Okay, so be careful who you trust this time, Aquarius. Okay, beware who you trust this time, and there is patience. Slow down, change your attitude, and clear your mind. You have to keep your patience. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Fool, and this was your main energy too, that there is someone who is going to take the leap of faith and will move in a forward direction. Have the courageous to embrace the change, take risk, and be adventurous. Okay, let me see more. Some of you are definitely going to travel somewhere, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun. This is beautiful. New happy beginnings are coming for you. This is the happiest card in the deck, also in the tarot also. So open your heart to the enormous growth which is coming in your way. 0222 was the recording reading time. A journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Okay, your life will become more full. Death and rebirth is taking place in your life. Okay, something is ending and some new beginning is going to happen. Transformation is taking place. Okay, then there is lovers here. So in your love life, there is a lover who is your, who is your lover which is coming for you in the month of July. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see more messages from the Osho 010. What are the messages for Aquarius? Let me shuffle it. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay. And share your knowledge and wisdom with the world, Aquarius. Just go with the flow. Okay. Let me see. What are the messages for this reading for Aquarius, July 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So there is lot of adventure which is coming for you. Can you see the rainbow? Maybe you can see lot of rainbows these days, Aquarius. That can be a possibility. Or you can see the number synchronicities of 666, 606, or 66. Okay, number 6 is important. So maybe whatever dream you are having here, Aquarius, you are going to get success. That dream is coming true for you here. Maybe you have a dream to live with your person, okay, with your love of your life forever in your life. That dream is going to come true. You always have a dream to live with your, the life partner. I can see the letter P here. That can be initial of you or your partners. That can be a possibility. P. Success is coming for you here. Can you see? Wow, beautiful. So that was the message here in this. It wants to come out. Lot of abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see? That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the message from this deck. Let me see what is the message for Aquarius. Please give me message for Aquarius, July 2021. What is the message? Okay, so angel of miracles, open your heart and expect a miracle. Okay, you need to open up to receive, Aquarius. Open up your heart so that you can receive the miracles which are coming for you. So open your heart and expect a miracles. Angel of miracles is here. And there is vacation. Take time for relaxation and adventure. I told you a lot of adventure is coming for you here. Can you see? So you need to take a vacation. Maybe you go on a vacation, because here travel is indicated for you. So maybe you will plan some kind of vacation, travel. Okay, there you can do some kind of adventure, relaxation. So that's beautiful message here. That's the message I'm getting here for you. Vacation and angel of miracles. So that's beautiful. Thank you. Let me add one message from the divine abundance. See, again the flow is here, so I'm going to take it. This says, allow me, divine, to move with the flow and respond with calmness and peace. Dolphin. Maybe you can see a lot of dolphins these days. Just go with the flow. Okay, and you have to go with the flow, Aquarius. That's the message I'm having here. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from Super Attractor. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. One message for Aquarius. I feel my way into faith one step at a time. And that is the same message, going with the flow. You can use this affirmation, okay? You take one step at a time. Just go with the flow, okay? Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from your healing mantra. Amplifying abundance. Abundance is my birthright and I receive it now. Can you see? You can use this healing mantra to receive lot of abundance. Amplifying abundance. While shuffling only it wants to come out. Amplifying abundance. Lot of abundance is coming for you, and you can use this mantra also so that you can attract more abundance in your life. Okay, let me see more message. One message for Aquarius. What is the message? One message. Transforming tragedy. Loss is my reminder that more room has been made for greater gifts to be received. That's beautiful. Transforming tragedy into gifts. Loss is my reminder that more room has been made for greater gifts to be revealed, to be received. Beautiful message. So beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's the message I'm receiving here. So thank you. Let me add one message from Crazy Sexy Love Notes for Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Give me the message. Please give me the message. One message. One message. Okay, I got 3 messages for you. This says, if you need for help, you need to ask for help. Are you continuously giving to others yet really receive what you need? Then it's time to ask for help. You are not a superwoman or a superman, so there is no need to do it all yourself. You have an army of angels on speed dial. Give them a call, communicate your needs and learn to receive their wants. When we are open to help, that all around us the universe provides a help. Make sure to look for the signs. Once you ask for help, they will start appearing. Okay. Then there is purse up your nest. This says it's time for little spring cleaning. Your home is scared and your surroundings matter. Honor where you recharge and fill it with beauty. Make space by giving away or donating what you do not need. Your clutter could be someone else's gold. Plus, when you have less to process physically, we have more room to process things emotionally. A clear head and a new room for great art awaits. Spruce up your fabulous nest. Okay, clear up the clutter. Then there is be a natural beauty. Beautiful. Your entire body is precious, Aquarius. So choose personal care products that reflect your conscious and commitment to self-love. Say no to toxin and say yes to healthiest ingredients possible. You deserve to look and feel great and you are worth the effort. Be a natural beauty. So that was the message which I received here, and that was very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let me see messages from the Grace cards. I have to take. Here I was having bottom of the deck belief, okay, and here also I just got the belief, and which says when we marry intention with action, miracle happens. There is magic all around you. Open up to the wonders of the universe. Notice the connection and the synchronicities. Follow your feelings and believe it with all your heart. We successfully manifest our dreams when our feelings are in aligned with our plans. From that scared union, the right ideas that take shape, the best relationship blossom, and the stuff that meant to be easily fall into place. Everything is possible. You just need to believe it. So that's the message I was receiving it. That's why I'm taking it again. Okay. Ask. When we call upon the divine for guidance and support, we will receive response. Spiritual signposts will put in our paths to guide us to our highest good. If you require any kind of help, Aquarius, you need to ask for help. Okay, same message is here. Ask. Ask for help. If you require any kind of help, the angels, the spiritual guides are there to help you out. Okay, and there is belief. Believe that they will help you out. And you will notice the connection and the synchronicities. Everything is possible. So that's beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's add one message from the everyday miracles. One message for Aquarius. Give me one message. What is the message? Okay. Let me not see myself as limited. Would you attempt to fly with the tiny wings of a sparrow when the mighty power of an eagle has been given him? So that's very beautiful message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the Life Loves You. One message for Aquarius. I am willing to love myself. Look into the mirror and say to yourself, I love you, I really love you. Don't be shy. It's just another way of saying life loves you. Okay. See, I am going to tell you my story, Aquarius. Daily, that's my routine, that I say I love you to me on my WhatsApp status. Okay. So that's the thing you can do. Say love you to yourself first. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Now let me add one affirmation here. Receiving. I open up and allow myself to receive love in all ways, from all directions. It may seem scary, but it's better than receiving audits, bad bugs, and hate mail. I receive love. It feels so good that I decided to receive it some more, and then some more, and maybe just a wee bit more. So you have to open up to receive. So that's beautiful message here. Now let me add one crystal spirit for you. What is the message for Aquarius? Give me one message for Aquarius. Wow, I got 3. So this is Tiger Eye, Sodalite and Amazonite. Maybe I am pronouncing it right. Amazonite, Sodalite and Tiger Eye. Now let me read it out. What is this Tiger Eye? Tiger Eye. Positive willpower, optimism, the power to manifest essence into form, clear purpose. Everything, including a planet, began an idea into the sea of infinite possibility before becoming manifest in the realm of form, and the conditions you see today are the result of intentions created in the past. So this is very beautiful crystal, crystal spirit, which will help you out to create the positive willpower, which will help you out into increase in your willpower. Okay, you can use this Tiger Eye if you want to increase your willpower, positive willpower. Okay, then there is Sodalite. It says intentionally conscious awareness and awakened state in a knowing and self-confidence, clear expression of intention. A state of conscious awareness is the key to clearly communicating your intention to the conscious universe. Okay, so this is beautiful stone. Also, you can use this stone if you want to increase your inner knowing, self-confidence, clear expression of intention and all. Now let me read it out. Amazonite. And this says truth, revelation, the evolution and natural flow of events. Not everything reveals itself right away in full details. But the conscious universe is unfolding a plan for you so brilliant that you can imagine the Amazonite spirit is here to help you to trust in the process and flow of revelation. Some things will be disclosed that may shake you up, but if so, it's all for your highest good. So pay attention and go with it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love is sometimes so blind and we see what we want to see. Thus, we might need a little nudge from the conscious universe in order to become aware of something bigger on a horizon for us. Maybe this relationship is not meant to be, but rather is here to prepare you for the one you most deserve. Okay, so beautiful message is here. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the messages. Now let me add some message from the fairies. New beginnings are coming. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? Please give me the message. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Music. Listen carefully, for there may be a message in the music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories and charm fairies to your door. So you have to listen to the music, Aquarius. Maybe there is a message for you. So listen to the music. That's very important message here. Thank you, fairies, for giving the message. Now let's see what are the messages from the energy oracle deck for Aquarius. What are the message? What are the message? The thinking woman, the world, seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel, door to personal healing, happiness, financial constraint. What are the messages for Aquarius? Victory. And while shuffling also I saw this victory card. Okay. Okay. So you are closing out a cycle here, Aquarius. You're completing a cycle which you need to complete here. Closing out a cycle with someone here. There is a thinking woman. So someone is thinking about you, or you are thinking. This is your energy. You're thinking a lot, but someone is thinking here. Okay, then there is world card. So you're completing a cycle, you're closing out a cycle here. Then there is your seventh chakra, your first chakra, and your fourth chakra. That is your root chakra, your crown chakra, and your heart chakra. Three chakras are getting activated. Now you will receive the messages from the universe. You will get the stability and security, and you will feel the heart. You will feel the emotions. The heart is here. Okay, so maybe you are going through with some kind of financial constraints, but do not worry, because beautiful thing, door to healing, happiness and personal healing is opening up. Maybe you can see white pigeons or the rainbows these days a lot. That can be a possibility. Someone is feeling hostilities is here, so someone is feeling jealous about you. Let this energy, let it go, or release this energy. Okay, don't pay attention on these energies. Then there is a woman holding a heart, and there is victory. So victory is coming for you, Aquarius, and there is someone who wants to share their heart to you. Okay, someone wants to give the heart to you. Okay, or you want to share your heart to someone. So that was the message which I was receiving here, Aquarius, for you. Thank you for giving the messages. What else left out? Okay, this is what. Let me add one message from Ask Your Guides. Okay, what is the message? Please, guides, help me out to give the message. What is the message Aquarius wants to know? One message. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. Okay, definitely new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. There are gifts, there is sea family which is coming for you. Pigeons are here. So there are beautiful gifts and new beginning is coming for you. But right now the master teachers are telling you to be in discipline. Okay, discipline is required in your life. So please be in discipline. So that's the message I'm getting here from your guides. Thank you, guides, for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the native spirits, and then I am going to close out your bonus love reading. Okay. Okay, let me see. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. One message for Aquarius. What is the message for Aquarius? Elder. Okay, the message is elder, and which says entering your power, standing strong. You are a leader stepping into light. Let your truth be heard and felt by others. Make a stand in life. You carry deep inner wisdom. You are a teacher and a leader in the deepest sense of the words. You are a beacon for the others. So being an elder and tribal leader means that you have to speak your truth. Okay, share your knowledge, Aquarius, even if it is hard or even if you are afraid. So but you have to speak up. So that's the message I am having here for you. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of July. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.